Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create this minty blue makeup look. So if you'd like to see how to get this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I've already prepped my lid with some concealer and translucent powder. So now I'm going to pick up New Wave from the Subculture palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills and apply that shade in the crease, the outer corners, and on my lower lash line. Next we're going to apply Iggy from Kat Von D in the crease, the inner and outer corners of the lid, and also on the lower lash line. And here I'm using a smaller blending brush so I can be a little bit more precise to get that halo effect. To add a little bit more depth to the look, I'm now using this metallic blue shade from the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette, and I'm pretty much going to apply this where I put the previous shade. And definitely take your time and make sure that all the colors are blended nicely. For the center of the lid, I'm now going to pick up Minty Mojito on a small flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to press this onto the lid, and then I'm taking my blending brush again and I'm blending the edges so it's soft and smoky. Then for the inner corners, I'm using this white eyeshadow color from the same Galaxy palette. To spice up the look a little bit, I'm now taking the Fenty Beauty Island Bling in the shade Tini Kini, and I'm going to apply it on top of the lighter eyeshadow to add some sparkle. And since this is kind of like a liquid eyeshadow, I'm just pressing it onto the lid so it won't move the eyeshadow underneath it. Then for my lashes, I'm just going to apply my Subversion Lash Primer and Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara. And then I'm also going to add Slay Lashes in the style Muse. Now let's move on to the face and add some blush. The blush I'm using today is this peachy pink blush from the Morphe 9B blush palette. And then for my highlights, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Trippin for a nice glow. On the lips, I'm first using Peachy lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and then I'm going to line the contours of my lips using Closer Lip Pencil from Nabla Cosmetics. And that's it for this look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!